Hello friends, let me show you my new HYCHIKA sander, circular sander. It comes with instructions. This is the actual sander, as you can see, and it comes with this dust bag. So you put it here, so you will get the dust here, okay? And it comes with like 10 sandpapers. You just put them like a, you see, like a Velcro strip, and that's it. You're ready to sand. So let's try it in this piece of wood. Okay, it has a strength meter here. Let's do a number 2, and it has an on-off switch here in the front part. So as you can see, it's working. Let me show you. Okay. Perfect. You see, and we were using number 2. So, well, I think it's a really nice size sander. You can sand any kind of wood you need, and you get the debris here. Okay, so that's great. Really recommend it. Thank you.